ვიდეოში ვითამაშებთ ვიდეოში ჩვენ ვითამაშებთ
When the whistle cuts through, we rise up with
ასე შემი თამაში დაიწყო და ჩვენ ისე ჩვენ მაგერინ ხტებით რა აგერ ისიც აი
Let's see. That's the whistle. Kick off. Dispossessed.
არა უსავს ჩვენ მაინც მოვიდა Alvarez Julian Alvarez
Losing possession. Russell's the post. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Plenty of power on that. Crashes against the post. Looking for options. Losing possession. Pushing it forward. Quarter of the half gone. Team showing positive intent. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Chances on. Made a difference. Brilliant anticipation from the goalkeeper. Losing possession. Shot. A great save. Real class. Fails to keep the ball. Very tightly encountered. Keeping possession nicely. Losing possession. Fails to keep the ball. Square pass. Fails to keep the ball. Beautiful footwork. Pressure forced the error. It's on. The game will be quite fierce and unpredictable. You never know what will happen today. Let's have a look at the line. The match has begun. Excellent defending. Fails to keep the ball. Pushing it forward.
Julian Alvarez
It's a real challenge for the keeper. Nice to work out for them.
Julian Alvarez, look at us.
Good play, one-on-one.
Messi. Messi. ავაზის მიკროფონები დაავალა. ისეც ყურსასმელები დებს. ალბათ ყურები რეკინოს, მაგრამ ხავყურე მაგრამ.
There goes the ball. Losing possession.
Hernandi Messi. Picara.
Fails to keep the ball. Knocks it towards
Ankara Messi.
quarter of an hour complete. Teams looking to establish control. Great intervention that ended the opposition players pushing forward. Into open space. Clear sight of goal. Seeking out a passing lane. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Poor decision making. Square pass. Struggling to get the shot off. That's goalkeeping masterclass. The score is now 0-2. The shot was outrageous. Losing possession. There goes the ball. Sensational stop from the keeper. Fails to keep the ball. Going for goal.
Simon.
Have gone crazy. Quite rightly, so what a finish that is. Again.
Julian Alvarez.
Losing possession.
Romis had another progression at the Messio, Messi,
There goes the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Again. 2/3 of the match complete. Fascinating, entertaining first half. Both teams were quite aggressive in the game. Second half has commenced. Carrying the ball forward. This will take long to give a booking. Penalty foul in a desperate attempt. Going for goal. Sensational free kick. There goes the ball. Losing possession. Great anticipation. This goalkeeper has done exceptionally well. Looking for options. Pushing it forward. Fails to keep the ball. Nice clean through.
Gol, kızma ayakkabı. Havadan ne? Hadi yapıyorum ha.
Taking a chance there. A powerful effort, but
Buna
just
yine
lacking
bize birer
accuracy.
yani şimdi o.
Restart from the goalkeeper.
Golü ise golü bir tane. Bak ay
Might
pası.
be able to get in
Ulan
behind
var
the
asıl. Hadi
defence.
kontrol yer koyun. Kadarını. Mami. Ya golü de ay tane. Nu. Aga mi xariam que no golü de ay tane. Joder. Ona golü de ay tane. Makana diza. Amir diza. Zarkıya. İn amatı. Nasıl Joshit.
Again.
Amazon. Pinda de bir ay jadi ama da var.
Nice one.
Australia.
Square pass.
Messi, Ankara Messi. Seni sormak istemiyorum. Ona bir şey yok. Maklet dayma.
There goes the ball.
Aynen.
Carrying the ball
Golü
forward.
kapıyı açamadı. Yine tam oldu sanki.
Nice block.
Tamam şöyle. Okey. İşte bak şey işte. Makalisteri. Ama oyun.
Reads the play beautifully.
Opa, yok
Pushing it forward. What a chance. Just to keep it. It's in. They are making a change. Again. Losing possession.
Opa,
Knocks it towards top right. Substitution it is. There goes the ball. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Nice through ball.
Opa, Messi ne gol.
Some minutes will be added after regular time. Losing possession. That was an amazing save. Reads the play beautifully. Carrying the ball forward. Golden opportunity. Denied by the keeper. Impressive. Beautiful through ball. Referee has thrown the whistle. We have a final
Just. Uy. Hagamos bir şey. Hayır insan hagamos.